we are going to need the 1/4 cup, which looks like that. You will need the 1/3 cup. All right, we are ready to go. So before we ever touch any food, we always want to make sure that we wash our hands. So everybody go to your sink. And we're going to make sure that we have nice clean hands before we touch our food. Caitlin, was that a thumbs down?
I'm still working on this, but I haven't started mixing yet.
Okay, take your time.
I need this one to open.
I got you. With all of my ingredients mixed together. So I should now see that I can still identify what I've put in here, but at least it's now mixed aside. I'm going to grab my next mixing bowl sides so you can now see. I can no longer see the honey. It's gotten completely blended with that, or if that really is true. But you also don't have to wait. If you want to go ahead and cut right in and you want to try a piece of bar, you can right now.